Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube videos. Today I'm going to challenge two LeetCode questions, but today I mainly focus using the hash table strategies to solve the questions. Not much else to say, let us proceed to the first questions. Number of pairs. Okay, this is the index. Okay, I copy the variables first, then I try in Visual Code. Okay, this is the main. So create functions. So I have to create the hash map and count the result for the nums in the nums. Oh, sorry, for this I have to use these nums. Okay, for num. So if the num inside the hash map, so I have to put pairs plus equals to the count num, these are variables, then count num plus equals 1, else. So if I first select these numbers, so I have to return the 1. Okay, I return compares. So just try. So the output is 4. So I just place it into LeetCode. Error. Oh, this is the indentations problems. Oh, for loop for nums in nums, else good nums equals to 1. So I have to return the good pairs. Yeah. Oh, indentation problems. Yeah, accepted. So I just submit. Yes, I successfully solved these one questions. Okay, now let us proceed to the next questions. This is the maximum substring with distinct start. Oh, so this question I only can detect 2 characters with the. Okay, I try it. So I copy the data first. So I will detect include as a set. So I just use set method. This is set. So for the char in the S, then if I found if the char not inside the include, So I include at the jar. So I have to return output equals to x. So I expect it will have the output is 2 so I check is it true or not. Yeah, the output is 2. Okay, just copy it and paste it into the LeetCode and check. Oh, identification problems. Just copy it and just try to run it. Yeah, accepted. So I just submit. Yes, I have successfully to complete 2 LeetCode questions. Yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe and also share it to your friends. But I will also copy this code into my GitHub so you guys can have a look in my GitHub account. Yeah, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. You just gotta be